So welcome to today's lesson, Newton's third law. So only one learning objective for today, demonstrating an understanding of Newton's third law. So Newton's third law essentially states that forces always occur in pairs. Each force is the same magnitude or size, but they act in opposite directions. And the most common way you've probably heard it is that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, so here's an example here of two people fighting over a rope. And there is, of course, a pull force from the man and an opposite pull force from the woman in an opposite direction. Equal and opposite. You can also see this with rockets. There are two pairs of forces. You have the thrust of the rocket engine downwards on the ejected gases, but also the contact forces of the ejected gases upwards on the rocket engines. Okay, so equal and opposite. And finally, the third example of Newton's third law is tyre road friction. So as a car moves, is able to move because of the friction on the road, and it's the forces acting between the tyres and the road. So the force of friction on the road acts in the forward direction, which is equal and opposite to the road acting on the tyres. Equal and opposite. Every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force.